So the next thing you're going to want to do is put your school's letterhead in here and then merge and center it. And phone number. All right. So I'm going to take this and then I'm going to center it over to J and see what that looks like. I'm going to merge it. Take these and merge them all to J. And if you can see, it already like centers itself. So I want to see what happens when I go to print. See what it looks like. So you're going to fix this to portrait. I don't like the fact it's a little too far over for me, so I'm going to fix that. Just go by unmerging it. Okay, and then I think I'm just going to merge it to H. Let's see what that looks like. That's not bad. So this is the part that you're going to have to play around with when you have your school's letterhead. So let's see what that looks like. Just make sure over here it's on portrait. I think I like that a lot better.